I know how important protein is for you. Especially if you're vegetarian or vegan, you have probably even purchased a protein powder for yourself. And if you look at the label at the back side of this box, you would often see this term called BCAAs. And what are EAAs? Let's talk about protein with the basic information. Now, protein is actually something which our body needs to build muscle. And now when you consume a protein, it is broken down by the body into amino acids. There are 9 essential amino acids. EAA means essential amino acids. And now when we talk about BCAAs, these are branched chain amino acids, which are actually the most important ones for muscle protein synthesis. How this happens is, there are 3 of these. The first one being leucine. Leucine is the most important branched chain amino acid, which when delivered to the body, it turns the switch on for more protein synthesis or muscle fiber synthesis inside the body. If it is not there, this activity will not happen, even though you may have trained hard and eaten all kinds of other things. So this needs to be covered. If you're a vegetarian, you can cover these by the following sources. It could be chickpeas, lentils, tofu, soya products, all kinds of nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds. So these were some really good sources. The second one is isoleucine. Isoleucine helps your muscle fibers get glucose for more energy to be able to perform better, and also helps in the recovery. Now, this is also present in quinoa, in oats, and all kinds of seeds and nuts. The third important BCAA is valine. Now, valine helps you support with recovery and endurance. It prevents the muscle breakdown. Muscle fibers do not break down if valine is present. This is also present in quinoa, peanuts, soya, and all kinds of seeds and nuts. So these 3 are the BCAAs, which are very essential part of your protein and can easily be covered in a vegetarian or vegan diet too. There are other supporting essential amino acids, which are lysine, threonine, methionine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, and histidine. Now, tryptophan is one of the most important ones because it helps you with sleep, recovery, and mood, and this is found in oats, bananas, and pumpkin seeds. Now, if you think of all of these amino acids, you can easily cover them by combining various food products together. Vegans can derive all of these essential amino acids if they focus on the combinations like dal, rice, quinoa and legumes, tofu with some soy or other kind of vegetables. It could even be edamame, anything which has a little bit soy. And by combining them with more fiber, delivery also becomes easier on digestion because protein is absorbed better when it's with fiber and a certain amount of fat as well in the body. So you need to plate your food very well, have these good combinations. Now, vegans can build muscle only by being on a vegan diet if they understand not only the proteins but also these amino acids. Now, one important question, do you need BCAA supplements separately? If you're eating all of these proteins and eating them well, you really don't need to supplement separately on top with BCAAs. But if your caloric intake is very low and your strength training is really hard and you feel that you're always deficient, then you have to consider. But the entire protein amount is definitely more important than just taking BCAAs.